च्यवनप्राश प्रो रेसलिंग लीग सीजन 4 को पावर्ड बाय अमल में आज है मुकाबला यूपी दंगल और दिल्ली सुल्तान्स के बीच। टॉस जीतने के बाद दिल्ली सुल्तान्स की ओर से आज के पहले बाउट मेंस 57 यानी 57 किलोग्राम वर्ग कुश्ती मुकाबले में आ रहे हैं भारतीय मूल के पंकज कुमार।
चलाए पंजा बाहुबली सा कसे शिकंजा पेट्रोल से मारे मैदान बिजली सा खेले दिल्ली सुल्तान।
दाबर च्यवनप्राश प्रो रेसलिंग लीग सीजन 4 को पावर्ड बाय अमल में यूपी दंगल की ओर से इस बाउट के लिए आ रहे हैं भारतीय मूल के नवीन कुमार।
Dabar च्यवनप्राश Pro Wrestling League Season 4 co-powered by Amul. It's time for the first bout, which is men's 57 kilo. It indeed is an honor and a pleasure to have a very close friend of ours. He's the CEO of Pro Wrestling League, Mr. Sunil Yashkala in the house. How are you doing, sir?
Thank you very much. All excited, looking forward for this match.
We got to know what is your take on today's game.
Well, it's a close bout, and I think one category will have the difference. I think it's Sarita's category. Here we have the 57 category, and I think it's a very closely contested bout for the day today. Let's see.
Okay.
Joe.
This is the first competition of the day, ladies and gentlemen. The first bout and the first round. We have Pankaj and Naveen neck and neck. And for the viewers, information we need to tell that the coin toss winning team gets to get the red corner and the trailing team gets to get the blue corner. So as of now, if you're trying to figure out who is what on that mat, well, the one with the back on the screen right now or to the left of the screen is Pankaj, who's got red stripes, and on the other side, blue and red, is actually Naveen Kumar. It's quite an interesting matchup as of now. Something interesting coming up. Both the wrestlers are trying to attack each other, trying to get that first-time advantage. We don't see any of these two wrestlers actually taking a back step and relaxing a little to try and find that opportunity. I think they are getting to the opportunity.
Yes, I think they're a little curious to start their first point. Both debutants in this PWL 4, and let's see how they take it. Look at Sakshi. She's looking very intently.
Open finger.
Raw aggression of the youth is on television right now.
Okay, as of now, we need to also share our viewers for the first timers who are watching this sport. How do you think these 6 minutes actually go in a wrestler's head in terms of his body as well?
Well, after speaking to so many coaches, the first initial reaction for the first 2 minutes is to watch out. Just suss out the other guy, see the strategy level, stand out, look at the entire scenario, feel the body, feel the entire rhythm flowing from top to bottom, and then finally make that choice of making that attack.
So more so than the wrestlers, I think it's the tigers on the prowl on the mat.
Yes, yes. I must tell you, Joe, everything is strategically planned. You know, they have plan A and plan B. Plan A is when the opponent attacks you, you have to look at the counter attack. And plan B is always to look at that sneaky opportunity to get in, grab that leg, or pin the person down. Just throw him down.
So basically, the actual plan ABCDXYZ is to win the bout.
It all sums up to
Oh,
that.
what an attack way it was from Naveen, but it was countered and got a chance for a three-pointer. And 3 points being there and now trying to alligator roll. I think Pankaj is on the roll and he started and opened his account. Yes, of course, Pankaj is ruling the roost as of now, shall we say. Sunil,
Yes.
tell us more about Pankaj and Naveen. How do you think they are rating in this season?
Well, Pankaj is a new find for the season. In fact, the franchisee sees a lot of hope in this Pankaj. In fact, he comes from a village of Yogeshwar, the legendary Olympic medalist coach Yogeshwar in Sonipat, called Baiswal, and better known as Sonu, you know, for the friends. And he trains under Raj Singh Chikara, the Indian junior coach.
You are the encyclopedia of all the spicy information, Sunil. We are loving it. Ladies and gentlemen, yes, so we have the CEO himself, and you're hearing from the horse's mouth, shall we say, though he's quite handsome. But yes, that is just the expression we have to face. As of now, neck and neck, trying to get a comeback. That's what Naveen is trying. And Naveen is still not able to convert his attack into a score.
Well, I think Naveen is just sussing him out still, waiting for that counter movement, counter aggression. Let's see.
Generally what we see is when a wrestler takes a couple of steps back, looks like he's defensive before entangling again and getting into the...
Well, more often than not, it's usually a trap, Joe. The other opponent comes in, and the moment he comes in, there's a quick change and suddenly a grapple. And when you grasp it, that's the time when you can go in for the maximum and the kill.
Well, like we were discussing last evening as well, all these wrestlers have leaned down and have gained muscularly rather than that bulk that traditionally we used to see.
Well, that's a welcome change in the past 4 years, and I think PWL gets credit for it because there's a lot of import of the greatest talents from across the world, especially the Eastern Bloc, the Belarus, the Russians, the Azerbaijans, and the Ukrainian. Now, they are hardcore muscle. They have chiseled bodies and muscled arms. So what happens is that the weight goes out and the strength, pure strength, comes in.
Yes, of course, I think these are the modern techniques, and that's what we get to see. That's the attack, and let's see if Naveen can convert it into his favor. He did attack, but then again, it was quite a bit on in terms of defense. Still defensive is Pankaj as of now. He's not letting go. Oh, he got a chance. Oh my God, this is a twist that we get to see, the wonders.
In fact, 6 minutes of twist and turns and curls and counter attacks is what you're going to see, especially in the lower weight category as this 57.
And this we were expecting it to be quite a scoring game, but then again, looks like somewhere we could not see Naveen able to. Oh, once again, he's trying all his might. He did try, but it was preempted on part of Pankaj, and that is why that attack again was his undoing and got another couple of points. So we have a 7-point lead as of now.
I think 2 of the attacks went off target. You know, they lose both ends. They lose the point, and at the same time they concede 2 points. So there's a difference of 4 points, and that's what is doing against Naveen.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. This is the first bout, men's 57 kg bout, and here it's going to be official. And it is Pankaj Kumar from Delhi Sultans who gets to win by a 7-0 score.
मत ले पंगा।